Welcome back to Western New York Living. I don't have to tell you that the weather around here is hitting the sweet spot where it's time to get out and enjoy your backyard or patio. That is unless you don't have a patio to enjoy. That's where my next guest comes in to help get your outdoor living space ready to enjoy. Join us this morning, our good friend from Lea Construction, Mike Washington. Mike, thanks for being here. It's that time of year. Everybody's thinking about outdoor living spaces and they're thinking, well, maybe I missed the boat. Not the case, right? Still time.
Plenty of time left in our schedule for us to get out, take a look at your home, and actually get you on our install schedules. Right now, we're booking into the late summer and early fall. Decks, patios, concrete, stamped concrete, exposed aggregate concrete. It's really the time. How do you get outside and enjoy this weather that we're having? It's beautiful weather, and how do you extend from the inside of your house to the outside? We're doing a lot of outdoor living, we're calling it now, and really bringing the outdoor and extending the amount of time we can be outdoors into the fall in all sorts of different projects.
Why don't you tell the folks about some of the advantages there are to using professionals like Lea Construction with planning and a new deck and maximizing the space?
Yeah, we do talk about it a lot. You really want to come out with a good plan. We rather spend more time in the planning stages on the front end. It just gives you a more rewarding project all the way through. The job will run quicker, it will run on budget, it will run more efficient. As long as we go in with a really great plan, yeah, can you change along the way for sure? But hey, if you can start out with a great plan, it is definitely the way to go. And then to make sure you're hiring a licensed contractor, someone that's going to go out, pull the permits, have all the inspections done. If it's structural inspections, electrical inspections, plumbing inspections, it's really the way to go to cover yourself. And a lot of times you have to be careful. Make sure you're getting your 3 S's. Make sure you know what you're buying before you get into a contract. It's really the best way to go.
Let's talk about stamped concrete, and that you do stamped concrete, and how do you make it last?
Yeah, stamped concrete's a great product. It's really decorative. So you want to be able to, once you pick out your stamp and you choose your colors, and then over time you want to really protect that. That's something that, someone thinks that, hey, just put in concrete and there's no maintenance over time. There is. You got to make sure you're sealing every other year. You got to make sure that, hey, we're not putting something in the wrong spot in texture or shape. We're always thinking safety, making sure that it's not slippery. We're adding additives onto the product usually to make sure if we're getting around pool decks and wet areas that it can't be slippery and someone could fall down and get hurt on your property.
Outdoor kitchens are becoming more and more popular in the area. I know you can help families with those, and I think you give your personal recipes, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely. You definitely don't want my recipes. I can only grill. Other than that, I burn everything. But as far as everything else goes, absolutely. The stamped concrete and decks, and then outdoor living, we are doing a lot of exterior kitchens now, or even having fireplaces and fire pits, gas underground, that instead of having to build a fire outside, you actually just flip a switch, turns on the fire. A lot of our outdoor covered patios now are getting radiant heat put in them. So there's so many different things we can bring to the table. Again, every different house has its unique flavor, and then how do you want to use your backyard or even your front yard?
All right, I know you can always help with financing, so make sure you give the folks at Lea Construction a call. They're the most trusted name in home improvement. They can assist you on any project you may have, including your outdoor living space. To find out more about all the services they offer, head over to their website, ivyleaconstruction.com, or give them a call at 875-8654. Remember, they do offer great financing options to make your home improvement projects affordable.